What's up, you guys? Rich here, bringing you yet another video. And in this video, guys, I've got something a little bit different for you. Yes, I normally show you videos on buying real estate, selling real estate, and give you little tips and tricks, or all about buying real estate here in the area of Lake Chapala in Mexico. But today, a friend contacted me and said, Rich, do you mind helping me rent out my beautiful little home just outside of Ajijic in Villa Nova, which is Villa Nova is only this area of Ajijic. It's only like 5 minutes walk into Ajijic. I'm close to everything. So I'm gonna do a video on your rental property because a lot of you guys who watch my page sometimes ask me for help finding a rental. I mean, it's not my main business, but I'm happy to help when I can. So maybe some of you out there will find this useful and be like, hey, thanks Rich, I was looking for a rental in Ajijic. Rental property is 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's a standalone home in a little gated community of 3 homes. The owner is actually looking for someone to rent this out long term. So it's at least a 12-month rental contract here, guys. And if you're interested in this rental property, I will leave my details down below and you can email me and I will put you in contact with my friend and they will organize everything with you and give you all that information that you need, any extra information about availability and dates and things like that. So without further ado, let's go and see this rental property, shall we? Stay tuned, guys. The video is on its way. As you can see here, guys, there's a space for 3 cars. So this garage here would be the car space that you would be getting if you're renting this property out. You have a private entrance coming in. So electronic gates. So you can sit out here and take the views in over the mountains. This one is actually completely detached. So this is the property. Got a nice little veranda here. You can sit out and take the views of the mountain. I'll show you when we go up, but let's walk you through. So there's a couple of steps as we walk down into this property. As I mentioned, guys, the property, I don't think I mentioned, but the property is renting per month for $900. And I'll leave all the information of what that includes or what that doesn't include down below in the description. What's really quite nice here, the property is open plan. You have dining area, should I say, and living area, and you have a nice little terrace out of the back heading south. So let me take you into the kitchen, just the kitchen area, so you can get an idea of what you kind of can get for a rental of about $900 here on Lake Chapala. It's very well organized. The house itself is like 14 years old, so it's in good nick. It's in very good condition. The house comes with all you need, like pots and pans and plates and towels and sheets and everything like that. So you don't really need anything, just your toothbrush and you can move straight in. Comes completely furnished, as you can see. So it's really nicely furnished, this rental property, as you can see. I'm going to take you out. Oh, by the way, guys, just to let you know, look at this beautiful fireplace. It's a natural fireplace here. Let's go outside and have a look at the terrace. Some nice little seating area here. As I mentioned, we're a bit low, so you don't really get any views of Lake Chapala here, but you get some stunning views of the mountain. The garden is really lovely and mature. So this is the common area as such. For these 3 different properties. Very, very peaceful. Just check out them bougainvilleas. This time of year, the colors from the bougainvilleas are just gorgeous. I love bougainvilleas. Coming back into the house. Oh, by the way, guys, there are bars on each of the windows here, so which makes the house very safe and secure. There's 1 bathroom downstairs. The house actually also has a mirador, which you can take in all the views of the mountain heading north, the Sierra Madre. We're gonna go straight into the master bedroom, the closet space here. Another natural burning fireplace. Great sized room. A complete ensuite bathroom. I'm gonna take you into the other room so you get a just good feel. So this is the spare room. I really like the spare room. It's actually a lot cooler as well because it's heading north. And this is you have another full bathroom here. Also, this property has a mirador that I'm going to take you up. So here, this is the laundry area in between the two rooms. I'm going to take you up to the mirador. You can come up here, you can put a little table and chairs with an umbrella. Just look at the views. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming on this little rental tour of this property, just slightly west of Ajijic, only 5-10 minutes walking into Ajijic from here in Villa Nova. I'll leave all the description of this rental property down below, what you get for $900 a month in this 2-bedroom home here. And if you're interested in renting this property, guys, I'll leave my email down below. Feel free to contact me. I just wanted to let you know how close you are to the services that are just around the corner. You know, so there's some services just around the corner that you really, you kind of have everything just right next to this rental property. This is only 5 minutes walk down the road, heading west. So I'm going to just put in here, guys, if I may. So here, what we have here is the fishmonger. So the fishmonger's here. You have a supermarket that you can get your meat from and your fruit and vegetables. That's my friend's shop, Make It Cash, consignment store. Shout out to you, Maggie. If you need someone to help you sell stuff, Maggie's there for you, guys. The bakery just here on your left-hand side, or sorry, your right-hand side. That bakery does fantastic quiches and pastries. Also, you have the brew house here that is, this is the place that they brew their own craft beer in the back. It's incredible. Who would have guessed in Ajijic, your own artisanal beer brewery just around the corner. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, coming with me. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, hit that notification button so you get notified of all the videos I do on a weekly basis, all about buying real estate here in Mexico. Check out the podcast, Rich Varney Show, link in the description. And without further ado, guys, have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.